Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Photos app, guys, that will allow you to recover your deleted photos. So as you can see, guys, I have the Recover Plus Plus, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it right here, guys. It actually works. So let's get right into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to this website called ZooMods. Okay, this is where we're going to download it. So just go over to Google, go to ZooMods, come over to this website, and once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in photo, and as you can see, it says photos recovery. So just press on this. It's going to start to download. So let's just give it a second to go ahead and load right here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. Now normally this is pretty fast, so you shouldn't be waiting that long, so let's just give it a second to go ahead and load. As you guys can see, alright, so we'll just give it a second to go ahead and finish. Alright, my gang, my homies, my thugs. So as you can see, guys, it's basically going to load, and it's going to tell you that you need to verify or something like that. It's easy. So basically just download this Coin Master in here and then run it and reach village level 3. That's what it told me. And this will download your Photos app, because this is actually unapproved software that was put in like Tim Cook's phone, because basically high up people want to recover photos, and Apple is not going to put this in the normal Photos app. Any sort of recovery feature, because if it's in recently deleted and it's been 30 days, then you are gone. So this app is different. It's like a hacked version. It's for people that have like high clearance in the government and people who are like Tim Cook, as I said. So basically, if you want this, you can't just get it on the App Store or jailbreak your phone and like have it inject into the normal Photos app. You have to go to ZooMods. That's the only site I found for now, but I'm sure there'll be thousands of other sites popping up with it soon enough, which is cool, I guess. So I'm gonna see you guys in a future video, and peace out.